welcome to E-Town News, जहां आपको मिलेगा daily dose of Bollywood news, fashion trends, TV and social media से जुड़े हर update. A show which gives you the day's lowdown of all the best happenings in the world of glamour. तो इंतजार किस बात का? Let's take a look at today's headlines. रणबीर कपूर ने शादी की न्यूज पर साइलेंस ब्रेक करते हुए कहा, Alia and he would have been married if the pandemic had not hit their lives. अनिल कपूर ने जूम से की कैंडिड कॉन्वर्सेशन. रणबीर कपूर ने फाइनली आलिया भट्ट से अपनी वेडिंग पर की बात. रणबीर कपूर ने किया रिवील वो जल्द से जल्द आलिया भट्ट से शादी करके अपनी लाइफ के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट को टिक करना चाहते हैं. यही नहीं, अगर लॉकडाउन और पैंडेमिक ना हुआ होता तो आलिया भट्ट रणबीर कपूर होते मैरिड. एंड रणबीर कपूर का ये भी कहना है कि इससे ज्यादा वो मैरिज विद आलिया पर नहीं बोलना चाहते, as he does not want to get it jinxed. रणबीर कपूर usually keeps mum about his relationship. रणबीर कपूर ने आज तक अपने किसी भी रिलेशनशिप पर खुलकर बात नहीं की थी, चाहे उनका रिलेशनशिप हो विद कटरीना कैफ, दीपिका पादुकोण और इवन करंट गर्लफ्रेंड आलिया भट्ट. लेकिन अब रणबीर कपूर ने खुलकर अपने रिलेशनशिप विद आलिया भट्ट पर की है बात, और वो भी डायरेक्टली अबाउट गेटिंग मैरिड टू हर. वैसे आलिया भट्ट रणबीर कपूर के साथ शादी पर रूमर्स को टर्न डाउन करती आई हैं. While talking to Zoom earlier this year, she said,
I'm not sure which rumor is on currently right now, because I feel like every 3 weeks there's a new wedding date or there's a new rumor. So
I saw you react on it on Insta as well.
Did I?
Yeah.
I find it very entertaining. That's it. There's only entertainment that it offers to me, nothing else.
Ranbir Kapoor और Alia Bhatt are truly, madly, deeply in love, and Ranbir Kapoor cannot stop praising Alia's quality. रणबीर कपूर का कहना है कि आलिया है एक ओवर अचीवर. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो उन्होंने नहीं सीखा है, फ्रॉम लर्निंग गिटार टू स्क्रीन राइटिंग. वहीं रणबीर कपूर को लगता है वो है अंडर अचीवर. रणबीर कपूर ऑल्सो सेड दैट ही डिड नॉट टेक एनी क्लासेस ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक. According to him, initially they were dealing with the family crisis, and then he got into reading, spent time with his family, and watched 2 to 3 films every day. आलिया भट्ट डेफिनेटली रॉक सॉलिड रही हैं, स्पेशली रणबीर कपूर के डैड ऋषि कपूर की डिमाइस के बाद. हर पल रणबीर कपूर आलिया भट्ट के साथ नजर आए थे. यहाँ तक कि पूरी भट्ट फैमिली स्टूड टुगेदर विद कपूर्स. आलिया भट्ट और रणबीर कपूर की शादी डेफिनेटली होगी वन ऑफ द ग्रैंडेस्ट वेडिंग्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड. ऐसे में पैंडेमिक के दौरान इनकी शादी ना करने के डिसीजन को वी एब्सोल्युटली सपोर्ट, एज वी आल्सो डोंट वांट टू मिस ऑन ऑल द हो हल्ला अबाउट देयर वेडिंग.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me.
ये नाचो यार, जो भी हो यार, झकास बोल दे यार. अरे यार मैं थक गया हूँ यार, झकास बोल के यार. क्यों मुझसे करवा रहे हो यार?
जो हमारी अच्छी फिल्म है ना, क्लासिक्स है, उनको मुझे लगता है नहीं टच करना चाहिए. जो खराब फिल्म है उनको रीमेक करके अच्छा बनाना, उनका आइडिया अगर अच्छा था तो.
How did Sonam and Harsh react when they first heard about this, Anilji, about the entire thing of it?
Harsh is anyway crazy, so he was fully into it. I told him I'm making this film about, Anurag kidnapped Sonam and your dad was looking for it. He's like, what the? Seriously? So actually before I even pitched it, he said, is there a part for me? I said, yeah, there's a part for you. So, Sonam, I pitched it when we were in New York for the Emmys. I remember she was in New York and I went across town to meet her. And I said, hey, this is what I'm doing. And I narrated the whole film to her. She said, Dad's doing this. I said, yeah. Harsh is doing it. I said, yeah. Okay, I'm doing it. The moment she said everybody's doing it, she's also doing it.
Welcome to Speakeasy. My name is Rachani, and we are doing a very special year-ender. The talented people I'm about to talk to are ending the year on a very real note for you. This year has been giving us too many reality check. This is the one that you probably need the most, a reality check for the film industry. I'm of course talking about the very talented trio right now, Mr. Anil Kapoor, Vikramaditya Motwane, and Mr. Anurag Kashyap. So reality check, kind of reality check ही हुआ ना ये. What do you have to say, Anurag?
It is reality check and more. It's a. I'm saying if you take away the film industry, it's also holding a mirror. No, it's also on the audience as well.
But tell me, when you make something like this, the most difficult part, of course, is casting, because you know that actors here, you know, want to live up to their image and they're like, oh my God, what will people say and stuff like that. That was a challenge, right? And coming, of course, to ultimate casting of Mr. Anil Kapoor. I know Anurag's the friend, and Anurag was obviously, I don't think that was the difficult. Anurag must
मैं आलू
have
प्याज
said
हूँ
yes.
मैं आलू प्याज हूँ
But you don't take yourself seriously also, na? So that must have, you know, you're okay with, you know, taking pot shots. But here, a lot of actors really don't, you know, they really have to think about the image that they've created. So tell me, Vikram, tell me how the casting process worked out for you. But that's very interesting to know.
I think, look, I mean, from whatever I've known Anil sir, you know, through the years, we haven't worked together before this. I've worked with Harsh, and I know Sonam, and I've been to the house multiple times, and, you know, we've interacted, you know, a lot. He's always been extremely open, and at least the film choices he's made before that, whether it's working in, you know, it didn't happen with Anurag, but the fact that he was going to do Alvin Kalicharan, or the fact he's worked with Zoya, or the fact that even the choices of films he's made through the years, you know that there is a experimental streak somewhere. He might be open to something like this. So it was a chance. I really wanted to make this film. I went out there with Avinash and we just rewrote the script with Anil Kapoor's name in it, just took a chance on it. Went to him, gave him the script, and literally I gave him the script and I ran. I said, "Sara, pad lo, main bhagta hu." So I don't know, if the call doesn't come for a week, it means he's hated it, I won't call him back. If he calls, then great, then I'll go back, and then we'll see.
In person, he's never, like in my 23 years that I have known him, has never behaved like a star.
Life is all about taking chances, no? So if you don't take a chance, you play safe, and then you're caged in your own image, and when you take yourself seriously, I think it's a life wasted.
What is one thing you really admire in each other and one thing that you truly detest? Like, detest is probably a harsher word, but you don't like in each other.
I truly admire his drive and hunger, his diligence, in the sense, आज भी वही है. Today also he's the same. He talks like the same struggler probably he would have been 40 years ago. He approaches his work the same way he would have done 40 years ago. And today he not just pushes himself, today he pushes everybody else also as well. और वो धक्का मार मार के मतलब कराते मैं रिहर्सल करने वाला आदमी नहीं हूँ, रिलक्टेंस है, लेकिन धक्का मार के करते ना and his thing is so much, and you see it, and it shows in his fitness, it shows in his, like, he never gives up. He just goes on and on and on, and he is very truly honest to himself. And what I hate about him is
The same.
looking at the results. The pressure it puts on me. Look at him and I'm like, यार मैं तो ऐसे खड़ा होता तो मैं अपने पैर भी नहीं देख पाता, पेट आता है बीच में.
What about you, Mr. Kapoor?
What I admire and love about Anurag is his fearlessness. How fearlessly he speaks what he believes in, how fearlessly he has made his films, how fearlessly he has casted so many young actors and given breaks to so much talent to the industry, and how he has supported filmmakers to make their first films. I admire that. There are very few people who are like that. बहुत ही कम हैं, and I think he is on top of that list. And what I detest about him is, of course, his fitness. And
Lack of it.
Lack of fitness, because I'm a selfish man. I'm very, very selfish where where my work is concerned, and I want him to be fit so that we do a lot of films together. So जितना fit रहेगा उतना हम लोग काम कर सकेंगे. Because I feel a director, a DOP, all of them have to be fit. And when looking at Ridley Scott and looking at Clint Eastwood, at the moment, if you ask me, are these actors do you look up to these of the actors of this show business? No, at the moment I'm looking up, and they are my idols at the moment. Ridley Scott and Clint Eastwood. I Google them most of the time. I know I want to find out what they're doing, how they're doing it, And Clint Eastwood is 90 years old, and he's making this film now, and And Ridley Scott, the kind of cast he has accumulated for his next film is unbelievable. He's what? 80
something.
हाँ क्या उम्र है अभी रिडली स्कॉट की होगी 84
85,
86 85 86 so and if you I have met both of them personally. I have met Clint Eastwood. I've had dinner with him and he is so humble, so down to earth, and ऐसा भी नहीं कि वो डाइटिंग करा अपना अच्छा खाना वाना खाया ये किया वो करा and he's so fit mentally and physically. So I want all our filmmakers also in India because in India also, people give up on, filmmakers when they cross a certain, nahi yaar, purana ho gaya hai. So I get very angry when some producers and actors tell me कि यार unfit है, पुराना हो गया है. मैंने नहीं यार ऐसा मत बोलो यार. ऐसा मत बोलो यार. There is always a great film in any person who's made good films. And it upsets me. And it upsets me when I meet them and they are feeling like that. So I feel Anurag to obviously is making fantastic films, and I want him to make those kind of films till he's 90, and has to be.
Sweet. Listen, Vikram, this love is totally like I'm just shocked with this so much love here. Batao, and you see the film.
He's played such a big role in my career and my life. वो है वो सब फिल्म में जो आप सुनते हो सब सच है.
My first Christmas party for my son, which was almost managed by the super mommies. Merry Christmas.
Finally, the festive mood has taken over the country क्योंकि आ गई है Christmas Eve. और इस occasion पर B-Town celebs भी आ गए हैं in celebratory mode. इसके साथ ही टिंसल टाउन में शुरू हो गया है पार्टी सीजन. With Christmas around the corner, Bachchan family decided to ring in the festival with much warmth and love at their Jalsa bungalow last night. Bachchans ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया एक क्रिसमस स्पेशल डिनर जिसके ग्लिम्पसेस शेयर किए बिग बी की ग्रैंड डॉटर नव्या नवेली नंदा ने. नव्या नवेली नंदा ने रिसेंटली अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट को पब्लिक किया था एंड वी कैन सी कि ये सेलिब्रेशन भले ही एक लो की अफेयर था, but the Bachchans exactly know how to make even a house party look classy and glamorous. हाल ही में एकता कपूर ने अपने बेटे रवि कपूर के लिए होस्ट की एक क्रिसमस पार्टी जिसमें नजर आए रितेश देशमुख और जेनेलिया डिसूजा.
My first Christmas party for my son, which was almost managed by the super mommies. Guys, being a mother is no easy job. This is for all my friends. Thank you, moms, because without you, grandmom.
So recently, Karan Johar, who is known to host some really grand and lavish parties, reportedly hosted a kids' party at his residence. While the details of this party aren't known, Gauri Khan and Abram Khan were spotted outside Karan Johar's residence as they arrived for the party. फिलहाल इस पार्टी के glimpses haven't surfaced on social media yet, but people are eagerly waiting to get a sneak peek of Karan Johar's this party. Well, recently Govind और उनकी फैमिली को Christmas theme attires में किया गया spot during the shoot. वहीं बॉलीवुड के मोस्ट अडोरेबल कपल्स में से एक जेनेलिया और रितेश देशमुख को भी इस क्रिसमस स्पेशल शूट पर स्पॉट किया गया, जहां रितेश इस दौरान दिखे ब्लैक सूट में तो जेनेलिया ने चूज किया एक ब्यूटीफुल गाउन. हालांकि इस गाउन को मैनेज करने में जेनेलिया को कई लोगों की हेल्प लेनी पड़ी. Moving on, actress Hina Khan ने recently attend किया एक fashion event and after the ramp walk while wishing everyone Merry Christmas, उन्होंने इस pandemic situation में सभी से safe रहने की अपील.
Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.
And stay safe.
Yes, please stay safe. Yeah, guys. Yeah, please don't do what we did on Diwali. Please.
Well, धीरे धीरे ही सही, events, parties, get-togethers are back in action. और अब सबकी नजरें टिकी हैं कपूर्स के एनुअल क्रिसमस ब्रंच पर, जहां पूरी कपूर फैमिली मिलकर सेलिब्रेट करती है इस खास फेस्टिवल को. Coming up on the show, लक्ष्मी मंशू ने Zoom से किया exclusively interact.
लो करिश्मा गेट अप बदल के अब आए हम अपने घर से सिंगापुर की घर से सिंगापुर की घर से सिंगापुर की घर से सिंगापुर की घर से व्हाट सच से let's do some yoga. Good boy. Stretch करो. Stretch.
After all the fun and masti, Shah Rukh Khan की daughter सुहाना खान का study mode is on. सुहाना खान ने सोशल मीडिया पर शेयर की एक empty library की फोटो, and it seems she is all set to complete her studies in New York. Actor Vivek Oberoi के करियर की one of the biggest hit films साथिया ने recently complete किए 18 years. And Vivek Oberoi का कहना है कि अगर इस फिल्म का रीमेक बनता है तो वो कार्तिक आर्यन और आलिया भट्ट को इस फिल्म में करना चाहेंगे कास्ट. Akash and Shloka Ambani named their newborn son Prithvi Akash Ambani. Ambani family ने एक official statement में कहा है कि With the grace of Lord Krishna and the blessings of Dhirubhai Ambani, Kokila Ben Ambani is delighted to announce the birth of our precious baby boy, Prithvi Akash Ambani. वहीं तैमूर अली खान को जब पैप्स ने स्पॉट किया विथ मॉम करीना कपूर खान ऑन वेडनेसडे इवनिंग, तो तैमूर अली खान नजर आए आस्किंग पैप्स टू नॉट क्लिक देम. नीतू कपूर ने फिल्म जुग जुग जियो की शूटिंग को कर लिया है पूरा और इस अपडेट को उन्होंने शेयर किया ऑन सोशल मीडिया. वहीं आलिया भट्ट ने पूरी कर ली है फिल्म RRR के फर्स्ट शेड्यूल की शूटिंग और अपने शूटिंग एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आलिया भट्ट का कहना है कि इस फिल्म की लाइंस वो 1.5 साल से याद कर रही थी एंड इवन इन हर स्लीप शी यूज्ड टू से दीज लाइंस. आलिया भट्ट ने इस फिल्म को हिंदी और तेलुगु 2 लैंग्वेजेस में शूट किया है. दूसरी तरफ एक्टर अनिल कपूर ने अपने बर्थडे को किया सेलिब्रेट विद हिज जुग जुग जियो को-स्टार्स, जिसके ग्लिम्सेस कियारा आडवाणी और वरुण धवन ने सोशल मीडिया पर किए शेयर. साथ ही कियारा आडवाणी ने अपने को-स्टार वरुण धवन की अपकमिंग फिल्म को प्रमोट करते हुए शेयर किया ये पोस्ट.
Varun, why smiling so much?
No, I just got some coolie stuff. Raj, you can watch it on the 25th, huh?
What subtle promotion is happening? Lovely.
रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक एक्ट्रेस प्रियंका चोपड़ा और आफ्ताब शिवदसानी स्टक हो गए हैं इन लंदन आफ्टर न्यूली इम्पोज्ड लॉकडाउन. कहा जा रहा है कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा अपनी एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म की शूटिंग यहां कर रही थी एंड नाउ फिल्म मेकर्स आर टेकिंग स्पेशल परमिशन टू गो बैक टू यूएस क्योंकि रिपोर्टेडली यूके से जाने वाली ज्यादातर फ्लाइट्स रोक दी गई हैं. एक्टर आफ्ताब शिवदसानी का भी यही कहना है. ही वांट्स टू कम बैक टू इंडिया फॉर हिज नेक्स्ट होम प्रोडक्शन शूट, लेकिन लंदन से इंडिया आने वाली फ्लाइट्स पर रोक लगा दिया गया है. After the adorable marriage pictures, Yuzvendra Chahal shares engagement day pictures with Dhanashree Verma on social media. And undoubtedly, the couple is looking absolutely adorable together. Shraddha Kapoor's cousin and Padmini Kolhapure's son, Priyank Sharma ने Wednesday को शाहज़ां मोरानी के साथ एक intimate ceremony में engagement की, जिसके pictures श्रद्धा कपूर के brother सिद्धांत कपूर ने social media पर भी किए शेयर. And here are some other posts of your favorite celebs जो social media पर create कर रहे हैं buzz.
they lost somebody really, really dear to them. So their anger has, really no motive but just anger. So I just feel bad for them, but this is no way to a man. People are just mean. They don't care who you are. What energy, man. I could just spend days with him.
South superstar Lakshmi Manchu recently joined us on our show Zoom Happy Space with Rudrani, जहां कैंडिडली लक्ष्मी मंचू ने अपनी फ्रेंडशिप से लेकर ट्रोलिंग पर की बात। सबसे पहले लक्ष्मी मंचू ने रिएक्ट किया ऑन रिया चक्रवर्ती एंड सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस।
Rudrani, I would do that all over again for any of my friends. And the narrative was being misconstrued. First they said one thing, then they said another thing, and then they started witch hunting. And I think people had too much time in their hands during the pandemic. They had nothing else to do. And we, just as a human race, when something goes wrong with us personally as well, we choose to blame. We look for who to blame because it makes us feel better, if we can put that out there on someone else. And so I think emotions were heightened during this time, and people were very aggressive for no rhyme or reason, and my heart just bleeds for them, and I couldn't keep quiet with their negativity. I would want my friends to stand up for me if something came after me, because I know what kind of a person I am. And a lot of my friends who were close to her were very scared, because once you said something, it became about you. Just recently I found out somebody from their family had something to say to me. I was like, really? I didn't even hear about it. More love to her, because they lost somebody really, really dear to them. So their anger has really no motive but just anger.
Lakshmi Manchu looks up to many actresses in Bollywood, lekin Priyanka Chopra ke liye she has special regards.
Definitely Priyanka Chopra, like amazing. It's not just possible for her to wake up and say, let me do this. It's great that she had her mom's support, and she was fearless and willing to, I feel, really go places to explore and not be, she's number one here. There was no need for her to go to LA and start auditioning and getting a no here and a yes there and a maybe there. She didn't need to, but here she was pushing her boundaries and really going out there to do the work. I love the work Taapsi's been doing. She's made me so proud of every movie that she picks and does, and I just can't stop looking at Deepika Padukone. I mean, she's just so beautiful. I love Alia Bhatt's work.
वहीं social media trolling पर she nailed it with her comment.
Because I'm a superstar's daughter, and I've had to deal with that since I was a little girl. And then when it started focusing on me, and then I was like, what do you mean? I'm so-and-so's daughter. Why are you being mean to me? And then I realized people are just mean. They don't care who you are. They're just very mean. So I have to say my yoga and my meditation always helps to not hold on to things, to let go, to forgive. These become a part of your being innately. But then I've gotten smarter too. So I look at trolls like they're stones, right? So every stone you throw at me, I'm only going to build a bigger house. So keep them coming.
Lakshmi Manchu है actress Rakulpreet Singh के super close, और उन्होंने बताया how she stood by her when she needed it most.
We would always make fun of her, girl, you need some gossip about you. You're just too straightforward. Have an affair, do this, just go out with some boy so they link you up. You're always seen with me or these other girls. Like, what is wrong? She's like, yeah, man, you need to come up with a hot gossip for me. And then she falls on this. She's like, baap re baap, I don't want anything anymore.